Can a man, no matter his religion, should be denied support from his children just because there is no written rule for it? Well, in a recent case, an elderly Christian man asked his kids for help. But the family court said no because there was no specific Christian law about it. But guess what? The Kerala High Court had a different take. The court considered whether a specific legal provision was required for prescribing maintenance for a father, since the Christian law was silent on this aspect. The court talked about being fair and following what's right, like in the Bible, where it says you should respect your parents. They also mentioned human rights and our constitution, which kind of hint that kids should take care of their parents when they are old. So the court changed the decision of the family court and told to look into it again quickly within a span of 2 months. It's a reminder that taking care of your parents is important, whether there is a rule written down or not.